Welcome back, guys. In this part of a video we're going to discuss about string concatenation in Java. So by the word concatenation I mean that to join two strings or to join two things in Java. String concatenation, sorry. So you got two methods in Java by which you can concat two strings, and it says that first method is by string concatenation operator, that is plus, and second is by calling method concat. So first let's we turn around for a plus string concatenation operator. So let's just get on to an example first. We have class simple, we got string s, in semicolons we got Sachin, we have string concat operator and then Tendulkar. The result will be Sachin Tendulkar. This is a very easy much a way to add, but if you think that plus operator can add integers too, that's what in this example I wrote it for you. It says that if you write string s is equals to 50 plus 30 with that string operator plus that string operator such in operator 40 plus 40, the output will be 80 such in 40 40. Now what it means, why they didn't add 40 40? This is because when the compiler starts from LHS, it first add two integers 50 and 30, it gives output 80, and this operator will add Sachin to 80, Sachin to 80. But when the compiler goes in this and it says like plus 40 plus 40, it doesn't return anything because plus 40 plus 40 doesn't mean anything. If you delete this plus over here, it will return 80 Sachin 80. That's a note for you. If either operand is a string, the resulting operation will be string concatenation. If both operands are numbered, the resulting will be addition only. The second method says that by concat method. Concat method is a simple method of writing just concat. This is a program for that. String s3 is equals to s1.concat s2. The argument will be the second string which you wanna add. S3 is equals to, and you have to create another string S3 to store the concatenation of both the strings. You can't write S1 is equals to S1.concat S2 because it will not change, because objects the strings are immutable, I told you. So the output will be Sachin Tendulkar. This is what string concatenation is all about in Java. So hope you understand it, give it a try, and goodbye.